tutorial, we will be folding an origami paper crane, symbol of the 2024 Nobel Peace Prize laureate Nihon Hidankyo. You will need a sheet of square paper. This is origami paper, which makes the folding easier, but you can use any size and kind of paper you like. The first thing we'll do is fold the paper in half. Then open the paper and fold it again. Now we have made 2 valley folds. Now we turn the sheet over. The colored side will now be facing up. We will make what are called mountain folds by folding diagonally. First in one direction and then in the other. Open the square up and flip the colored side down. Turn the square so that one of the corners is pointing at you. Then we bring the sides in to meet that corner. Take the top corner that's still sticking up and press it down to join the others. Now we'll fold the right flap up into the center line and crease. Then we do the same with the other side. Turn the square over and do the same on this side. Now we have the shape that looks like a kite. Fold the top part of the kite down and crease it on both sides. Now we will unfold the top and both sides of the kite. Then lift the top layer backwards until it lies flat and reverse all the creases. Flip it over and repeat on the back side. Make sure that all the layers are flat. After we do this on both sides, we'll have a diamond shape. Now fold the 2 thin points inward to meet at the center line. This forms the crane's legs. We will do this now on both sides. Now lift up the top right side and press it over to the other side, like turning the page in a book. Then press down the middle fold. Flip the paper over and repeat this in the same direction, right to left, on the other side. Next, fold the model in half and bring the legs up so that all points meet at the top. Bring the edges together at the center on both sides. Now we will fold what will be the crane's wings, folding down and creasing on both sides. For the head and tail, pull the points outwards at about a 45-degree angle while holding on to the base, adjusting as needed to shape the body of your crane. Form the head by folding one of the points down and creasing. Your origami crane is now complete. You can make final adjustments to the head, tail, and wings to perfect its shape. Cranes are symbols of peace, resilience, and strength. In Japanese culture, it is said that a wish is granted to those patient and committed enough to fold 1,000 cranes in a lifetime. Good luck folding.